She's smiling.
Hey, Shani.
Hi.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Like We Keep and Sean. Cute and Sean. Cute and Sean. Okay. Be serious. Man, shut up. All the time. I be telling her, this is serious. YouTube is serious biz.
Serious.
No more. This is serious.
Serious. We are going to do this bean boozle challenge.
I'm so
That's been going
excited.
around, and no, I'm not excited.
This is
Because
my excited face.
These flavors:
Are from heaven.
dead fish.
I hope I don't get it.
Ooh, what's this one behind here?
Oh, that's see that is they hiding it because it's the. Whew.
It's nasty. That's strawberry smoothie.
I love it.
Lawn clippings. We get to eat some grass.
Stinky socks.
Ooh. Canned dog food.
Barf. I can't wait. I can't wait. You see, this
Rotten egg.
is yeah. Tyra, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope
I
you're
bet
enjoying
she
this.
is enjoying it. Oh, there go the other ones. Oh, berry blue, chocolate pudding.
Juicy pear.
Okay. Toothpaste.
So how do we do this?
Okay, so we are going to lift. And who's gonna go first?
Shonda.
What
You're
did
the
I-
big sister.
Oh, on this episode, I'm
Yeah,
the big sister
you
now.
are.
I'm
You were
big
the
sister.
oldest. You had said like, if you short, you know. Yeah. There you go. Dare to compare. There you go. Right, Shonda. Go. Show us your skills. Good. And how the hell two come out?
So that means we get to do it at the same time.
Y'all, this is a setup. She knew. Okay, I'm scared. I want the pink one.
I don't even know which one is what. Okay. Okay. I'll take the green one.
Okay, 1, 2. Go from down now. 1, 2.
I don't want to do it.
Okay. I'm trying to
Okay.
smell it. Bubblegum. Mama good, y'all. That bubblegum is on point.
I don't know if I'm eating a booger
Wait a minute.
or
What?
a juicy pearl.
Does it taste good?
It don't taste bad.
She like boogers.
I do not. It must be the juicy pearl or the lime. It wasn't the lime.
I don't think it was the booger. I don't think you would ate it like that.
It must have been the juicy pear.
Yeah. What was this other one right here?
Lawn clippings. I
Maybe
mean, I don't know how
it's
to
lawn
take
clippings. Yeah, maybe because
grass.
who,
but
how,
how do you know what
First-
grass tastes like?
I was just gonna say, who know how to taste anyway?
Okay. Next.
I done the same two colors. You can do the pink. I'm gonna try the yellow since I did it. If it's the same two colors, now I get the damn booger for real. Excuse me. I get the booger, y'all. Look how I can lick it.
I'm still scared. Okay.
What? This is lawn clippings. It tastes just like grass.
I think mine's is bubble gum.
Do I gotta keep chewing it? It tastes just like grass. I feel like a horse.
This don't taste like no I don't know what kind it is.
I really want to spit it out, but I'm gonna be a soldier in the army of the Lord. Okay, that was not right. So I need you to shake that up. The pink and green like this. It tastes just like grass, like.
Okay.
Ooh.
You know we still gotta do this 3 more times. Please don't let me get barf,
Oh my God.
dog food, or
I'm spitting it out. I'm just letting y'all know. I ain't gonna be a soldier.
Or rotten egg. I don't
Ooh,
want that.
rotten egg. Ooh, rotten egg gonna be like a light color too. Ooh.
Let's get it done. Well, we got 3 choices. Look, we can just flick this off.
Ooh,
Okay.
I'm scared.
We already did the green too many times, so we're gonna have to do one of those.
I'm going with the blue one.
Okay.
I can't do that orange one. I'm scared of what that could be. This can be like coconut.
Let me see. I'm gonna look and see so I know what reaction to have. Oh my God. This is either...
This is mint.
Dropped it, so next one.
It's toothpaste. It's nasty though. I think the grass tastes a little bit better. It's too.
We've already had one of these, so I'm not gonna do that one. Let me try another one.
These last two favorites. I can't even see
What
it
is
right.
up with the green?
I'm scared of that white one. That's like a rotten egg.
It could be buttered popcorn. I'll try it.
What is this? Is the dead fish? What is that?
Ugh! I think it's small milk. It's so nasty.
I don't even know what this is. I done ate all these other ones. I can't even taste this one.
Ugh, girl, that was spoiled milk. It was disgusting. Ugh. Why would who?
Y'all heard how
Who
I'm smacking
thought
on
of
this?
this?
Y'all heard how I'm smacking on this one? I don't know. It wasn't bad. It was either like a peach or a strawberry smoothie.
That was rotten milk. I think
it was peach.
the taste is still in my
You
mouth.
swallowed it?
I just swallowed it. I had to chug me some wine and just,
Wow. You a soldier.
cause I couldn't chew it. Okay.
It was what? Ooh.
It was the rotten milk. The taste is still in my mouth, y'all, even after drinking it. Ugh, okay. Last one.
That toothpaste really tastes like toothpaste. It was hard to even taste what this, The devil is a lie.
The canned dog food.
Hell no.
Yep, I had a bad one. It's your turn.
I'm scared.
I need to get one more. Why did they keep giving us the green ones? I want one more.
Y'all, I'm trying to smell. Y'all.
All right, I got a blue one. What is this? Toothpaste? What is it? It's the
Y'all.
dog food.
Oh. I mean, excuse me. Y'all. I'm sorry. No. I just beat it. I can smell. I'm gonna eat a little piece. But I can't eat the whole thing, y'all. It's just disgusting.
This is toothpaste. Ooh, that was perfect for that rotten milk. You just take the rotten. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Just brush my teeth with the jelly bean.
This is nasty.
Hey, I took mine like a soldier. I just chewed a little and swallowed. Alright, look. She can do it. It was
Oh my God. It tastes like dog food for real. Oh my God. I'm trying to be a soldier, y'all.
I took my rotten milk like a soldier. It was disgusting.
It's giving me a headache. Like this.
Let's see if I can get one of these dogs.
You need to get one.
What is that one?
Ooh, I don't know. It kind of look good though.
Well, it could be Stinky Socks, girl, or Tutti Frutti.
Ooh, Tutti Frutti.
You just want me to eat it.
I'm trying to get dog food. That's enough. Oh, I swallowed it. It was hard. They nasty. Oh my God. I ate dog food today.
It must be Tutti Frutti or something, Carl.
What's this one? Shit, I need something to back up this nastiness. Juicy
It
curl.
could be that booger.
Lord Jesus, I can't.
You like boogers?
No, you ate the booger while ago.
I'm trying to act brand new because we in front of the camera.
I think this is the booger for real.
Is it? How do the booger smell?
It don't smell like no. I mean, Lord help me, y'all. This is kids. Don't watch this, okay? Y'all. Sorry.
I'm trying to get to the dog food one just so I can see how.
It's
Ooh, there
it
goes
make
another
my
rock
head.
egg.
It make my y'all. The dog food make your head hurt.
I don't think that's it.
Oh my god.
You know she be tasting them dogs' food when they ain't around. She act like she don't. Keep getting this white one,
Cause you
girl.
like rotten eggs.
It could be coconut too, though.
Gonna eat it then.
No.
That's bark. Oh, you gonna eat the coconut? So you just gonna eat coconut and shit? You want me to eat the nasty one?
I don't want the spoiled milk no more.
Smell it.
Okay, you know what?
Be a soldier. Let me see. You a big sister?
Nope, I changed my mind.
Yeah, take it all the way out.
It won't let you. Cause I'm trying to see if we can get some more.
Put it in my hand. Okay. It must be a lot of them in there.
A lot of green and blue ones. Dang. Open. Try one of them. Smell one of them white ones.
I still got some bark in my hand. This is throw up. It smell like throw up too.
Ugh.
And this is rotten egg.
Okay, well, maybe they don't do too many of the
I need
clean
some
dog
toothpaste.
food because it's so nasty.
Yeah, I gotta brush my teeth, y'all. I'm napping.
Anyways, that was our challenge.
It was a fail because they wrong for this. How can you get these nasty flavors in these jelly beans? Like,
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll need to go to the warehouse and see how y'all make it. I want to know because how do you even know?
What this stuff tastes like.
I mean, I know barf because you throw up, but how you know what a booger tastes like? I mean, like, did you eat a booger to come up with? And I can see spoiled milk, you know, you drink it, but some of these, like the dead fish. Y'all, try it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass.
I don't know how
on
the kids
doing
do
this.
these little challenges. It's a fail for us.
Yeah.
Give us another challenge to do. We'll do it. You know. We try. You know,
We try to be soldiers, but
it's extra nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, but this little green one right here looks pretty. It was lime. Y'all, it was lime. Wasn't a booger.
I don't think I'm gonna try.
Come on, son.
No, I'm good.
Oh, Lord.
I'm good.
Ooh. Right there for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass. So this is the end of the challenge. Y'all like, subscribe, share. Thanks for tuning in.
We gonna finish eating these off camera. We gonna find that bark for her. She needs to get a taste. Bye.
Peace.
Right there. There's the right there. You smell it. What is that? Your face.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh,
what is it?
Oh, nah, I don't know
What
what
is
that is. I don't know. Oh, that must be bark.
We got the nasty one. Can you pick the one you get? I think all of ours were nasty. We didn't have hardly no good flavors.
Challenge over.
Bye. Y'all want to see me dance? Let me know.